The Delhi High Court has granted transit bail for 2 weeks to a man booked for a social media post allegedly inciting communal hatred and disharmony pertaining to the people of Nagaland. The court said that there were nothing in the transcript of the video which prima facie indicates the remarks were made by the applicant solely because the complainant or people of the Nagaland belong to a scheduled caste. An FIR was lodged against applicant Akastawar, a resident of Delhi in 2023 in Nagaland under the Indian Penal Code and the SC/ST Act. He was arrested by Nagaland police from the national capital last November. The trial court had refused to grant transit remand to him but instead gave interim bail for 10 days pending further proceedings. He approached the High Court seeking transit bail to enable him to approach the court of competent jurisdiction in Nagaland. Tanwar also sought quashing of the FIR. The court said the applicant should be afforded the opportunity to seek appropriate remedies before the court having proper territorial and subject matter jurisdiction over the case. The applicant's counsel contended that registration of FIR in Nagaland was an abuse of the legal process and an act of harassment, as he had no connection to that state. It was argued that the FIR was lodged merely because the complainant, who was based in Nagaland, was offended by the content, even though the action leading to the post took place in Delhi.